Happy birthday, both of you.
The sister, yeah.
Sisters, yan na.
Abok ko na yan.
Pakita natin cake.
Sa ano?
Oh.
Mali na lang natin.
Ano yan?
Yes, honey. Help, Papa.
Oh.
Wow. Yay!
Yay!
Anggal na to niya.
Ano ba natin? Kasi umakin ako. Uy, naunsa mo. Di kasal ka. Di ka na. Uy!
Ano kasal daw? Happy birthday! Ano pa yan?
Basta ko. Mami ako. Ito ako. I think.
Oh, that's so sweet. Sister. Oh, family naman. Kayong anak. Baba na.
Hanggang ngayon, kau marinig ko. Kau ay nanatanging pangarap ko. Hanggang ngayon.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. So today is Saturday the 30th of November, and as you can see, we've got some makeup on and we're all dressed up. Oh, someone's eating now, guys. But so today we're going to celebrate my birthday, so as Mimi's birthday. So my birthday was on the 17th of November, which is what, 2 weeks ago now. And Mimi's birthday is
On 4th of December.
yes, which is next week, guys. So we just decided to actually do the celebration all at once, guys. Para makatipid, guys. Kaya gulo gusto. But we have few friends downstairs now, guys. So we're gonna go down now. We're upstairs, and yeah, we're gonna go see our friends and stay tuned. So, guys.
Yeah, and they try hard too.
Here's the food that we cooked. So that's bistek Tagalog. Is that how you got rice, guys? So surprise, this rice. We got bihon. We've got what, crispy fried chicken. We have bulad, of course, guys. Spring roll. And ginataang crab. Ginataang crab, like this. I don't know, Dada made this one, guys, so I don't know what it is, but all I know is this is healthy stuff. This one too. And Ate Ann brought us this, guys. It's cassava cake. Nagkauna na unsan may siya.
Dugay kayo mga bisita.
It's so yummy, guys. I tried one slice before. It was so yummy. And this is maha blanca, guys. And this is the plato. And this is like the birthday cake from Tita Gabi, guys. Yay!
Yay! Dito. Nakadiri.
Oh, we've got some more. So we've got fruit salad there, and this is tapioca salad with a mango and apple, and then we've got spaghetti there, guys. So we've got beer, wine, and soft drinks at the back there, and yeah, that's about it, guys. Actually, we've got chippy, all the chicheria, guys, and here's Ate Ann. Say hi. Say hi. Mama. And then I'll show you Mimi's outfit, guys. Hello, una kabiyanas man. You got the pink maxi skirt and the yellow top. And ako sa Mac show my outfit. Okay, guys.
Anyway,
Back to pillow. So I've got this top and jeans from Zara and my shoes. shoes. Mawala siya siyang shoes. Mawala siya gnasing shoes.
Chicken and soda.
Yeah, what's it?
This one's chicken, one's beef.
But is it the same thing?
Yeah.
Guys,
Asan ang bisita, guys?
isa na mong bisita, guys. Kami na kayo food, guys. Kami na lang mag-countdown ni. Wala pa manabot ang mga tao, guys. Eh. Mga ni, baka to sila. Oy, asa na mo? Tandalong mo. Hinataon mo kay mga ano ta. Guys, pikir ko yung pilo ko. Tak!
Mara sa check ko, no? Mas ba, ay,
First time rin ako nagpilok-pilok.
napagingana na ba ka ng karoy magtaot kaysa magkuhan ka kay... Kanang kunalay occasion ba magingana ka?
Is it everyday? Everyday, di nga
Everyday hasol kay pagkaligo ba?
Gani.
No?
Ay, katong kuhaan, dili man siya hasulti, katong extension dyan.
Nakatry ko ana, maglisod kong ligo, kaya kumata din ako maana ba?
Ano, like to. Like to, mo.
Kinangananako na daw yung nataon ko, my God, kadugay mga tangtangan yun.
Teo, tulong natin.
Gali. Uy, diri o kanang diri dapit o.
Sakit eh. Mapabangan ko na niyo, mga dali. Tunga-tunga.
Di ba si Catherine Bernardo, di ba yung anak mo ito yaha? Ang diri ka rin din dapit o.
Limahon? Hindi, nagsugot.
Basta kan ka
Hindi, nagsugot.
Basta kan di ko mga
Hindi, nagsugot si mama.
Ay, may isa rin mo, te?
Isa na madlok eh. Sakit.
Ana, na, di ako pag-protect.
Ayun.
Mo na dati.
Kanang i-ana
Na,
lang
di
siya.
man pariya sa ato sa Pinas ting pag ana mo na to. Birawon pa man balik to show ko na sad. Sakit kayo.
Kung i-hair piercing siya.
Guys, dito na si Ate Weng. Yes.
Huwag ipapakita mo ka kung may sunog. Huwag mo ka kung may sunog.
May gift kami, guys. Asa na, Mac? Pakita. Oh, yes. Tignan mo, galing ni Ate Weng, guys.
Yan ba?
Ay, ti. Ay, sa akin yung malaki, diba? Dapat lang kasi ako ang big sister.
Makatanda ka.
Ay, matanda.
Oo, kasi may sinulak ka na yung sabihin.
Ito para kay Mimi.
Isa kay Meme.
I-unbox natin mamaya, guys. Guys, nawawala yung kaibigan namin isa, guys.
Ligaw pa more. I-videohan mo na. Ligaw pa more. Bakit ang lahat mo mahilig ka Paris? Kami Paris eh.
Hello, where's your shoes, honey?
Oh my God. Very hot. Ang init. Si Paris tuloy nagpaa.
Asan na?
Wow!
Hi! Mwah! How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good. Wala, yun na ang aso nila, guys. Oh, ang laki ng ulo, guys.
Hello.
Hi, sis.
Diyos ko.
Guys, may magic sing kami, guys. Oh, mag-sing-sing kami. Mamaya.
Ang tahimik. Tama ba ito? Tapos may nakita akong Bina 23, kakatok na ako sana.
Te, sa Ate Ann, Ate Marilyn. Tagalog ito siya, ikaw. Bisaya na siya, Tea. Guys, another gift. Yeah, meron kay Mimi, maliit sa kanya, guys, kasi pangit siya. Kasi pangit siya eh.
Kung saan yung mali ang maganda yan.
So cute. Ito, guys, may taan. So cute. Ayan, guys. Nakalabas lang ating mga salad. Guys, another friend, guys. Trixie.
Wala kay plato disposable?
Wala, Tim. Kanan na lang, Tim.
Babaloy! Ikaw daw maglamugas mo.
Kakain na daw kami, guys. Kakain na kami kahit wala pa yung iba. Uy, Tagalog naman ko.
Tagalog naman niya.
Baka daw mag-lotion ng weight, guys.
Ang ganda ko dito sa lugar ninyo.
Hindi, sa una.
Ay, kakrekin siya.
Ayan, guys. Pinugtay lang yung ato, guys.
Ano yung palakiyang plato pa talaga?
Yes. Para pag sabihin nyo, busog na busog kami talaga pag nung pumunta kami sa
Ito
birthday.
merienda, ano to eh, tanghalian, niloloko mo ko, merienda daw eh.
Tanghalian merienda sama-sama na.
So magandahan pa mo while nagkaano. Guys, kumakain sila. Guys, kami lang nagluto-luto guys kasi wala man kaming good luck. Yeah, guys, ganyan na sa ano lang guys. Para sa Japan lang.
Yan mga chapayuki kami. Mga chapayuki kami. Kailangan.
Dito, may upuan.
Ha? Oo, mainit.
How are you? How are you? I'm good. Sulod sa mo. Ay, lain. Guys, sugo na sila kuan guys. Karaoke. Na si Paris pagkanta na, oh. Yeah, kanta na to eh. Ano? Are you singing, honey? It's what's that called?
Birthday vlog.
No.
What?
Vlog ambush.
6-1.
So we're gonna sing a
6-1-8-6.
song. 6-1. Sure, but I love them.
Oh, 100! Siyempre, nangyari. Kailangan yan.
So this is the
6-1-8-6. Ayan, somewhere down the road.
My God, sabi.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ko yan alam.
Napapagiter.
Sige, go. Laban. Pang kwarto eh.
Pwede na, pwede. Kakanta na sa pakasal
I have the right to make you stay.
Da, na pa isa oh. Da.
Hanggang ngayon, Maria, kamay na natatanging pangarap ko. Hanggang ngayon, singin ang aking puso.
Baka pala
Labanan.
Mula na siya? Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like. See ya.
Murag lagi kasalan ni.
Happy birthday, both of you.
The sister, yeah.
Sisters, yan na.
Abok ko na diyan.
Pakita natin cake.
Ano yan?
Yes, honey. Help, Papa.
Oh. Yay!
Anggal na to dia.
Ano ba natin? Kasi umakin ako. Uy, naunsa mo. Di kasal ka. Bigyan ako. Uy!
Kasal daw. Happy birthday, all! Ano pa yan?
Ito ako, I think.
Oh, that's so sweet. Sister, oh. Family naman. Kayong anak. Paano picture ba? Paano picture?
Medyo na lang. Medyo na lang.
Video lang. Okay, dito.
Baka screen dito sa kanila.
Diba mo nga ako eh, talagang face to face. Paano ko i-stop? Uy, paano ko i-stop?
Yung red pen.
Ito.
Go,
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys! So, our camera woman today is Ti Marilyn. Show your face, Ti. Oh. So, ito yung gift nila, guys. So, obviously, I'm the big sister, so I have the big bags. And Nimi's got this. The pink one is from Ate Weng. Thank you, Ate Weng.
And the
Boy,
babaloy.
ipakita mo nga yung ano, Ti. Ate Weng.
Thank you.
Babaloy.
Sorry mataas ang araw eh.
Where's the sun? So, we're gonna open it now, guys. First, kay Ate Weng. So, yay!
Nice.
What's that? Frogs. Open it. Yeah! Guys.
Wow, nice.
Sa'yo mga... So cute. Hey, thank you, Ate Weng. Thank you, Bernie. Thank you, Kuya Bernie. It's so cute. Isang set, guys. Earrings, tsaka... Nice. It's very nice. Alright. Okay, guys. Thank you sa sponsor.
Thank you, sis, sponsor for today.
And this is the second one, guys.
From Ate Maha.
From Ate Maha, the camera woman of the year. Malaki.
Parang ayaw mo
Di, may 1 million dito?
Correct, meron.
1 million. Uy, may sticker pa.
Uy, anong meron?
Sticker pa more. Ano
Uy,
yan?
Cinderella! Come on na.
Bay walit-walit pa.
Ang cute.
Ang walit-walit pa. Ano yan?
Ala,
Basta
shoes!
yung...
Shoes.
Shoes! So
High heel. May high heel.
Wait, I thought you saw Sherry.
yeah, ano, I think a bit big, actually.
Ano yan? Ano
Believe,
yan?
ako na. Believe in magic. Keep me close on your journey. Take me with your travels. Through morning daydreams to midnight dances. I am your secret trinket, an enchanted glass
ano ni
slipper,
Cinderella
reminding you
yan?
to believe in magic.
Yes.
I believe in magic.
Yeah.
Wow,
Ano
so
ni
cute.
Cinderella yan?
I'm
Sapatos
very
ni
close to my nail color.
Ano ni Cinderella yan?
Me having your sister is a magic.
Oh, pink ka rin.
Basahin mo sa'yo.
Awaken your dreams.
Saan mo? So cute, Aurora. Si Cinderella.
Ay, sa'yo
Oh,
crown.
crown. So cute.
Yes, because I'm a princess. I'm a queen.
Oh.
Tapos, ano yan? Tapos ano pa yan?
Awaken your dreams. Keep me close on your
That's the same.
journey. Take me with your travels.
Ay,
Yes.
crown is different.
Take me with your travels through deep forest and secret woodlands. I am your secret trinket, an enchanted crown to awaken your dream.
Yes! The box, guys. We'll open it up.
Oh, mahulaglag na yung crown mo. Dapat tiniipid yan.
Happy birthday to you, Mimi, from Ate Marilyn aka Ate Ganda.
Hala, bakit mo na sa akin?
Ganun.
Meron na sa loob yun.
Wala sa'yo?
Ako nga wala ng card eh.
Wala, oy!
Meron na sa loob.
Meron pala.
Mayroon pa siya ng buti-buti.
Happy birthday! My beautiful ba sa'yo, Mac? Oh. Happy birthday, beautiful Jovey.
Wala sa akin.
Wala. Bias to.
Bayos na.
God bless. Lots love, Ate Marilyn, aka Maha. Uy, iba. Ate ganda sa'yo. Ti, what's this? Sorry, Ti. Earrings?
Patiin nga. May patingin.
So cute.
Ay,
Pwede yun gamitin pang earring.
Oh, perfect.
magkaano siya, ano yung candela, yung gando.
Hala, very...
Ano ang ano niya?
Cinderella candle yan.
Oo.
That's so nice for your
Ay, so pag inano mo to,
Yes,
pag
very
nilagay,
nice.
siya ang mag-partner, no?
Oo.
That's so cute.
Oo, ang ganda, ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys.
Eh, parang ayokong gamitin. Sayang man. Gamitin. Parang pang decoration lang siya.
Ata.
Ang ganda. Short is to...
Kasi very
Short is
Pero ano siya? Ang tawag nito, scented. Thank you, te.
Ito ang ganda
Welcome,
nito.
guys.
Thank you, ate. Thank you, dalawang ate.
You're welcome, girls. Yan, ganda ng ano.
So nice.
Yan.
Ang cute nito. Yeah.
Pag sinuot mo yan, yan na ang partner.
Yeah, that's right.
Oo, partner
Sa akin na lang
sila.
ito, change this sa akin. Hindi, maganda. That's so cute. Maganda din sa akin. Kaya lang ayokong gamitin. O, yan, gamitin. Gamitin ko to. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, te. Itong mga ano. Pakita natin ang mga mukha ng mga sponsors. Ayan, oh. Okay, please.
Ito natabunan ko yung mata ko kasi na.
Hi guys, it is now nighttime. So it's approximately 8 o'clock at night now, guys. And we're done. So everything's clean. Alam guys. Come. So I think it was successful, guys. We look very, I don't know, haggard over souls. You know, it's been a long day, but we're so happy. You know,
I think everyone enjoyed.
Yeah, I think everyone had a good time. And also, I think our cooking wasn't too bad, guys. I think everyone enjoyed the food. So, yeah. Pwede na mag-asawa, guys. Kabalo na magluto. But yeah, that's it, guys. Again, happy birthday to me and to my sister, Mimi, guys. And, say happy birthday, Mama.
First time na akong celebration.
Happy birthday, Mama. No. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna sit down, relax now, guys, and then, yeah, that's it.
Thank you for the one.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and also, yeah, I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. And also, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button, guys. I'd like you all on board. And yeah, don't forget to be good and be careful. Bye. Bye, no. Bye, honey.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.